We just started today a little bit before 9. Today is a long day, so I think we will try to make as much as possible today, so tomorrow we don't have to do much and we can get to town really early and like make it like a Nero resupply, take some rest. I wish I can take some rest. I have something on my left leg on my muscle that I don't know, it feels weird. So we will try to be there by tomorrow, and the earliest the better. So we'll show you the trail later. And yesterday we stayed at the shelter, we didn't stay at the camping site, we didn't push that far. So today we will push. We'll show you later. See you. Árbol. Vamos para. Ok. Agua para allá. Ya viene. No vamos a ir al shelter, así que podemos continuar. No es un puente árbol, es un puente fantasma flotante. Midday checkpoint. So I've been trying to keep pace with her and with the hippie standing there, and she's fast. So we made 12.7 kilometers before 12, which makes me really happy. And it's just like almost a mile or a kilometer or something for half point of the day, like the distance. So I'm pretty sure that we will make it for sure. We will continue. We'll show you the trail later. Bye. We got 2 Corners Creeks Falls, and it's really nice. Let's see. Supposedly the bridge fell down, so we need to cross by foot, even if it's not there. But I think the water is really, really low actually. Like there's dry rock, so yeah, we will do it. Comaneci. Okay, I think it was like 30 minutes of rain and it stopped, but there's still some clouds that are like suspicious, so we will see. I'm tired. I'm not tired, but it's humid as hell, so I'm sweating, and we'll continue. We finished the day like at 4:30 or something. It was raining. It was about to rain a lot, and somebody just came by and said like it's gonna be a thunderstorm. So we hit to the shelter, and that's it. It rained a lot, but it's clear skies now. You cannot believe it, but it's 8 p.m. and that's the shelter. We found a tarp, so that's really nice. So everybody in there is already sleeping, but there's a lot of light over out here. So that's it. That's it for the day. I just want to say, like, my friend Joanna told me that not a lot, but some of my beautiful animators are watching now these videos. So I really want to say hi to everyone and really thank everyone, all of you, for seeing them. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy all of them. And she wanted to be on the video, but she is already sleepy. I know. So that's it. Thank you so much. So I just want to say, so I've been told that some of the beautiful animators that I work with are watching the videos. So I really want to say thank you, and I really want to say hi to all of you. I miss you. I miss working with you. But right now, it's the woods that is my job. So thanks for watching the videos, to be honest, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope you enjoy the rest of the trip. Bye.